The first thing you're going to do when you're wrapping a gift is ensure that your gift paper covers more than half of the side, and make sure this side reaches up to more than half as well. And you're going to make a mark on this side, and then you're going to take this and make sure it comes up this side, and make sure it comes up to about 1/2 inch over the box. So you have this is one side, two sides. You're going to pull your entire box across, 3 sides and 4 sides, and now you have where you can cut your gift paper. So I'm just going to make a little mark at the point where I can cut. So I have 2 marks on my paper. The first one I'm going to cut is the long one so that I can get it off this long piece of paper. I'm going to use this cutter that I got off of Amazon. Now you're going to open your paper, and where you made this mark, you're going to fold and just cut that with the scissors. Right, so now you have an extra piece of paper in case you want to use it, and this is the piece of paper you're using for your gift. And now we're going to take the gift, turn it down, because we're going to make the line at the back of the gift. Obviously we're going to make one side, we're going to come up with one side, making sure that the gift paper is equal on both sides. You're going to grab a piece of tape and tape this piece down, push the gift, and you'll have that beautiful crease there. And then bring this over and you right, so now your gift is perfectly looking like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to turn this part down, hold it, and tape it, and tape it down to the actual gift, so that you see how neat that is. And I'm going to tape down the other side one time. Now you're going to bring this all the way down and straighten, and then you're going to pull this down, turn this piece in, take a tiny piece of tape, put it here, and do the same thing to the other side, put it here, and then you're going to turn this like this. You can use 2 pieces or 1 big piece of tape. I like to use 2 pieces. One. With clear tape you really can't see. Alright, turn this over and I can show you it like now, like this. And now you have a perfectly wrapped gift. And of course we can decorate this a little more.